Hello, kids, let's learn tables of 1, 2, and 3. Subscribe to my channel. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 10 is 10. Let's learn table of 2. Respected parents, I need your support, so please subscribe to my channel. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Hello kids, let's learn table of 3. Subscribe to my channel. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3. Eights are 24. 3. Nines are 27. Subscribe to my channel. 3. Tens are 30. Thanks for watching ABC Land of Learning. Hello kids, let's learn table of 4 and 5. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 4. Ones are 4. 4. Twos are 8. 4. Threes are 12. 4. Fours are 16. 4. Fives are 20. 4. Sixes are 24. 4. Sevens are 28. 4. Eights are 32. 4. Nines are 36. 4. Tens are 40. Let's learn table of 5. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 5. Ones are 5. 5. Twos are 10. 5. Threes are 15. 5. Fours are 20. 5. Fives are 25. 5. Sixes are 30. 5. Sevens are 35. 5. Eights are 40. 5. Nines are 45. 5. Tens are 50. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hello kids, let's learn table of 6 and 7. Respected parents, I need your support, so please subscribe to my channel. 6. Ones are 6. 6. Twos are 12. 6. Threes are 18. 6. Fours are 24. 6. Fives are 30. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 6. Sixes are 36. 6. Sevens are 42. 6. Eights are 48. 6. 9s are 54. 6. 10s are 60. Let's learn table of 7. Respected parents, I need your support, so please subscribe to my channel. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Hello kids, let's learn table of 8, 9 and 10. Respected parents, I need your support, so please subscribe to my channel. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. Let's start. Table of 9. Respected parents, I need your support, so please subscribe to my channel. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. Let's start. Table of 10. Respected parents, I need your support, so please subscribe to my channel. 10 Ones are 10. 10. Twos are 20. 10. Threes are 30. 10. Fours are 40. 10. Fives are 50. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 10. Sixes are 60. 10. Sevens are 70. 10. Eights are 80. 10. Nines are 90. 10. Tens are 100. Thanks for watching.